guys, what's up? It's Marita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this devil look right here. So if you want to see how I got it, just keep watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm starting out by applying foundation all over my face. This is just my regular everyday foundation, and then I'm blending that out with my damp Real Techniques beauty sponge. Now I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and highlighting underneath my eyes and my nose, and again I'm blending that out as well. And then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And then for the eyes, I'm starting off by using a red liquid lipstick. This one is from Wet n Wild. And then I'm applying that to my eyelids. And then I'm going to be blending that out with some red eyeshadow. I applied the lipstick first just so I can get a nice red base for the red eyeshadow to stick to, because sometimes red shadows tend to look more pinkish. I'm bringing that red shadow far into my inner corner, up into my nose, and I'm also putting some underneath my eyes, and then I'm contouring my nose as well. I'm also putting some red coloring around my mouth. And then I'm taking some black eyeshadow and packing that on my eyelids and blending it out. And then taking red again and placing down where I want my cheekbone contour to be. And then I'm taking the red liquid lipstick again and drawing a line there and blending it out with a brush. And I'm also doing that on my forehead as well. For my lips, I am doing a dark black lip. I'm just using black body paint on a small flat brush. And then I'm taking black eyeshadow and deepening up the nose contour. And also my cheekbones and a little bit on the forehead too. Then I'm taking a white eye pencil and filling in my waterline. And then I'm taking red once again and putting that underneath my eyes and kind of dragging it down my cheeks. And then taking red paint, I'm drawing little lines coming down from my eyes, just one on each side. And then I'm drawing little lines coming down from the top of my forehead. For my neck, I'm taking red body paint and filling in my neck and a little bit of my chest area. Not all of it though. And then I'm taking black body paint and doing those little streaks coming down my neck. Same thing we did on my forehead, but just using black. Jumping back to the face, I throw on some winged eyeliner. And then I'm going to be highlighting my face, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead as well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials coming up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!